Welcome to our channel Financiable everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix your problem in the most easiest way possible, alright? And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can find your Cash App's CashTag. What CashTag is basically if you want to send money to somebody in Cash App, you need to know their CashTag, alright? And each and every person has a different CashTag, so your CashTag is gonna be unique to you only. That's why if your friend writes your CashTag, the money is gonna only be sent to you because the CashTag belongs only to you, alright? So to find your Cash App's CashTag, after you open your Cash App, at the top right corner you can see your profile picture over here, alright? So I haven't uploaded any profile picture, that's why it's showing this, but it doesn't matter if you see your profile picture or not. Just click on it, and once you click on it, you can see a little $sign and your name written over here, alright? So my CashTag is this $sign and KEOIUNDE. This is my CashTag. Now the messy on top is my Cash App name. Now Cash App name could be similar with other people, alright? It's not gonna be unique. Only this $sign thing over here is gonna be unique to you. And you can only change it 3 times. If you change it more than 3 times, you can't, alright? If you want to, you need to contact the support of CashTag and you need to give them a valid reason on why you want to do that. Otherwise, you only have 3 chances, alright? Because it's unique to you. So this is only unique to me and this is my CashTag. So if I want to receive some money, I need to give this to the person who wants to send me the money, and he can send me the money by writing my CashTag. How you guys can remove card on Cash App, alright? Now to remove your card on Cash App, after you open Cash App, you want to click on your profile picture looking icon at the top right corner of your screen, alright? Now in my case, I haven't uploaded any profile picture, that's why it's showing this. But if you guys have uploaded a profile picture, it's going to show you the profile picture. So just click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to open up like this. And from over here, you want to click on where it says linked banks. Once you click on linked banks, all the card, all of your bank, all of your credit card which you have linked on your Cash App is going to be shown over here. And from over here, you want to choose which thing you want to remove. So I want to remove my debit card, so I'm going to click on my debit card over here. And after I click on my debit card, it's going to give me these 3 options. And from these 3 options, at the bottom, you can see the remove option. You want to click on remove. Once you click on remove, your debit card will be removed from your Cash App. And once your debit card is removed, now you can no longer take money from your debit card and withdraw it into your Cash App, alright? How you guys can change your CashTag in Cash App, alright? So remember, this is not your name, this is CashTag, and the name and CashTag is different, alright? Remember, a fair warning, you can only change your CashTag 3 times. If you have already used 3 of your options, then you can't change your CashTag ever again, alright? So you only have 3 options, but your Cash App name, you can change it however much you want, because name and CashTag is different. Once you open Cash App, you need to click on your profile picture looking icon at the top right corner of your screen over here. Once you click on it, this thing will open up. Now this is your name and this is your CashTag. If you see a $sign right before your name, that's your CashTag, alright? So you want to click on your CashTag if you want to change your CashTag. Once you click on it, you're gonna get all these options. From all these options, click on edit CashTag, alright? Now once you click on edit CashTag, your current CashTag is gonna be shown. So you can delete your current CashTag, but remember the $sign, you cannot remove it. It's permanent, alright? It's a symbol for CashTag. So you can write whichever CashTag you want over here. After you write your CashTag, you can click on set. Now once you click on set, it's gonna ask you to confirm. As you guys can see, if I change my CashTag right now, then I only have 2 more times to change it. But since I don't want to change it, I'm gonna click on cancel. But if you want to change it, you have to click on confirm, alright? Want to change it, that's why I'm clicking on cancel, but you have to click on confirm to change it, alright? Once you do that, your CashTag will be changed. How you guys can link your debit card to Cash App. Now once you open Cash App, you need to click on your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen, or this little avatar looking icon. Just click on it, and once you click on it, you can see where it says linked banks, alright? Now we don't want to link banks, but we want to link our debit card, right? But don't worry about it. If you click on it, it's going to take you to the page where you guys can link your debit card. So click on link banks. Once you click on it over here, you can see link debit card option. Then that's what we want, because that's what we want to link. So you want to click on this little plus icon at the side where it says link debit card. Once you click on it, it's going to ask you to enter your debit card number. So enter your 16-digit card number over here and click on next. Now once you click on next, after the step, it's gonna ask you to enter your debit card CVV number as well as your debit card's expiration date, alright? So I'm not gonna show you that because I don't want to enter my original debit card number for privacy reason. But after you enter your correct debit card number over here, on the next step, it's gonna ask you to enter your CVV number and its expiration date. After you enter that, there's gonna be another next button over there. You can click on it, and basically if the information entered over here is correct, then your debit card will be added over here. Once a debit card is added, you can take out money from your debit card and put it in your Cash App and send it to your friend, or buy stock, Bitcoin, to whatever you want on your Cash App, alright? How you guys can order yourself a Cash App card. So Cashapp card is basically a debit card of your Cashapp. So you can put some money on your Cashapp, and through the money which is on your Cashapp, it's gonna represent your debit card. Alright, so let's say I have $50 on my Cashapp and I have a Cashapp card, then basically I can use $50 from that Cashapp card. Alright, that's basically how Cashapp card works. Now let me show you guys how you guys can order it yourself. And from one account you can only order one Cashapp card for free. If you want to order more than one, you need to pay for that. Alright, once you open Cashapp, you can see this little card logo. You want to click on it. Once you click on it, it's gonna take you over here. Now click on get free cash card. Alright, so just click on it. Once you click on it, only some of them are free. If you see the amount over here, then these costs money over here. Alright, only the first two is free. After that, you need to pay for it for its design. Alright, so I'm gonna go for the plain black one, and I'm gonna click on order card. If you want to personalize it, you can, so you just keep that in mind. You also have the option of this, but I don't want to, so I'm just gonna go on order card. Now after that, you need to enter the address where you live. Alright, after you enter your address, you need to enter your city and your zip code. After you enter your zip code, click on next. Once you click on next, it's gonna ask you for some more details, and after you provide all the details and all the addresses, basically your card will be sent to you, and it might take 4 or 5 business days or a week for your card to get, like, received into your mailbox. Alright, so you need to be a little bit patient. It's not gonna be instantly. So yeah, and once you get your card, you can activate your card. We will also make a video on how to activate your Cashapp card, and once you activate your Cashapp card, it's good to be used. How you guys can change your PIN on Cashapp. Alright, so basically, if you do not know, there's a feature called PIN in Cashapp. So if you have enabled that, then basically if you try to send money to somebody, you need to enter that PIN, and only after entering the correct PIN, your money is going to be transferred to the person. Alright, so it's like an extra layer of security in Cashapp. So if somebody steals your phone, opens your Cashapp, if they don't know your PIN, they can't transfer money into their Cashapp. Alright, first, after you open Cashapp, you need to click on this little person looking icon at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it, and over here you want to go on versus privacy and security. Now once you're under privacy and security, you can see this option called change cash PIN. Now if this is off, that means you don't have Cashapp PIN, so make sure you turn it on. Alright, and if it is on, then you can click on change cash PIN. So click on it, and it's gonna ask you to enter your current PIN, so I'm gonna do that real quick. After you enter your current PIN, it's gonna ask you to enter your new PIN over here. So I'm gonna enter my new PIN, and after you enter your new PIN, you need to enter it again to confirm it. So I'm gonna do that real quick. And after you enter your PIN, once you get this green tick mark, it means you have changed your PIN on Cashapp. It's that simple to change your PIN on Cashapp. Alright, now whenever you try to send money to somebody, you need to enter the new PIN, not the old PIN. Alright, how you guys can send money in Cashapp without a debit card. So most people basically send money in Cashapp because that's what Cashapp is, to send and receive money. But to get money in your Cashapp, most people think debit card is only the way, because that's the basic way Cashapp has declared. Alright, but you can also use your bank account in order to insert money under Cashapp. And no, you don't have to link your debit card for that. Just for your credit card, you need to link your debit card. But if you want to link your bank, you don't need to have to link your debit card. Once you open your Cashapp, you can click on your little profile picture looking icon at the top right corner of your screen. And once you click on it, this thing will pop up. Once this thing pops up, you can see where it says linked banks. You can click on linked banks. And over here, you want to click on linked debit card. Alright, once you click on linked debit card, basically it's gonna ask you to link your debit card, but we don't want to link debit card. So what you want to do is choose no card at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on no cards, and it's gonna take you to the place where you guys can link your bank account. At first, it's gonna ask you to agree to its terms and service, so just click and continue. Alright, once you see the little terms and service over here, click and continue. Once you click on continue, on the next step, it's gonna show you all these banks, and you can choose which bank you have. Now if you don't have your bank over here, you can just search for it, but let's say for an example, my bank is Chase Bank. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to complete my CAPTCHA over here to verify I'm a human. Now once you verify you're a human, you want to click on continue at the bottom, and it's going to take you to Chase Bank's website in order for you to log in into your account. Now over here, you need to enter your bank detail and log in into your Chase Bank account or whichever bank account you chose. Alright, once you log in into it, basically your bank account will be linked with your Cashapp. Once it's linked with your Cashapp, you can use your bank to withdraw money from your bank into your Cashapp and send it to anybody else. Or you can also just ask your friend to transfer some money into your Cashapp. Alright, if you do that, you don't have to link any bank account or debit card or credit card. Just ask your friend to transfer from their Cashapp into your Cashapp, and it's pretty much done. how you guys can request money on Cash App. Now, once you open Cash App, first you need to enter the amount you want to request. So let's say I want to request around $30. I'm gonna write 3 and on 0. Now, once you see the amount you want to request over here, what you want to do is you need to click on request, alright? If you go on pay, you're gonna pay the person. We don't want to pay them, we want to request from them. So you want to click on request. Now once you click on request, it's gonna show you this. And over here where it says to, you need to write the cash tag of the person, alright? So if you don't know the cash tag of the person, call the person and ask for their cash tag, alright? First, you need to write the $sign. Remember, whenever you're writing cash tag of a person, you need to write the $sign, alright? That's the symbol necessary. Once you write a $sign, you need to write the name of the person. So I'm gonna write the name of the person after writing cash tag over here, and I can see his, like, you know, Cash App over here. Once you see the profile picture and the name of the person over here, then and you're sure that this is the person you want to ask money from, click on it and click on confirm, and it's gonna be highlighted over here like this. Once it's highlighted, click on request, and the request for $30 or however much money you have, you can see the amount over here is gonna be requested to the person or to whoever cash tag you typed over here. You can even add multiple person's name over here, so I can send request to multiple person at the same time. Just like this, I can write multiple person's name over here and click on request, and basically the request is going to be sent to multiple person at the same time. Alright, how you guys can actually change your cash tag. First step, open Cash App and click on this profile picture looking icon over here, and click on your username over here, and then click on where it says edit cash tag. Now once you click on edit cash tag, you can change it to whichever thing you want. Just make sure you can't, make it similar to other person. If your cash tag is similar to other person, it's not going to be set. It's going to ask you to change it. All right. Now, after you edit something over here, just click on set. And remember, you can only change your cash tag 3 times. All right. In total. So I don't want to change it right now. So I'm not going to click on confirm. But if you want to change it, you want to click on confirm. All right. So I just don't want to do that. So I'm just going to click on cancel and go a bit back. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can change your cash tag in Cash App. How you guys can add another debit card on Cash App, or how you guys can change the debit card which is currently on your Cash App. Alright, now remember, you can only add 1 debit card at a time on your Cash App. So you can't add multiple debit card in Cash App, not just debit card, your credit card, your bank account, and all the other stuff. You can only add 1 debit, bank, and credit card on your Cash App. I don't know why. They might change it in the future, but right now they have not changed it. So let's get into the present and show you guys how you guys can add another debit card on your Cash App. But sorry, you need to remove your current one first. Alright, now I'm going to be showing you that process as well, so don't worry about it. Now before moving forward, for those people who do not know Cash App is an app which is used to send and receive money. It is similar to PayPal. If you guys have used PayPal, Cash App is similar to that. Alright, but it's owned by different companies, so just keep that in mind. First step, you want to click on this house looking icon. Now since I have $0 in my Cash App, it's showing me house. But if you guys have some amount of money stored in your Cash App, it's going to show you the amount which is on your Cash App. So just click on it. Now once you click on it, you want to click on where it says linked account. Now once you click on linked account, it's going to show you your debit card. So you want to click on debit card. Once you click on it, it's going to give you this 3 option. From this 3 option, you want to click on this one. You can also click on the remove one, but either way, if you click on this one, it's going to remove the card automatically. Alright, just click on it and it's going to take you over here. You want to enter your new debit card's information over here. And after entering that, basically your new debit card will be added. That's basically how you guys can add another debit card or change your debit card in Cash App. It's that simple. So hope you guys were able to understand. And if you guys did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel Finance Guru for future Cash App videos just like this. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye bye until then.